right, guys, we're back with another Tuff Streeter giveaway, and hands down, this is our biggest giveaway to date, Josh.
That's right. Now, are you a Holden fan or are you a Ford fan? The winner is going to have the tough choice of taking home just one of these beasts. So which one would you choose? All
right, I'm a huge fan of the XA. I've been cruising around all week. Let me show you why. So here we have a 72 XA GT replica, making 700 horsepower with a Clevo 408 solid roller. We have a C10 transmission, fully manualised with a 5200 stall converter. Strange 9-inch diff with a true track 411 centre with bullet axles. It's running auto drag 17 inches on the front and an 8.5 rear with 275 rear tyres. This car has had a fresh coat of paint and all brand new trimmings. All this put together has given us a sub 10-second street car, running a 980 at the local strip.
Now, while the XA is a tough choice, let me show you why the HT Kingwood is by far my fave. As you can see behind me, I am the Holden nut at Tuff Streeters. A 434 dart block, 700 plus horsepower. Isn't she beautiful? This HT Kingwood has a 434 dart block engine pushing over 700 horsepower. Now it's got comp cams, it's got a billet HP mechanical fuel pump, ASR competition oil pan, it has the race radiators cooler, ice ignition, a Willwood master and standard HQ front calipers. It's got the Power Glide built by John Bartolo with trans brake and a 6000 TCE converter. It also has JG drivelines and chromoly drive shafts with a 411 Eaton True Track diff. Now it's been resprayed in Oasis green fresh paint. We've restored the stainless steel and interior plastics. This car has run a 10.2 at 134 quarter mile, and there is plenty more left in that. There you have it, guys. Now, which one would you be choosing if you get the lucky call, the HT or the XA? Now, tickets start at just $30 for this insane draw, but we have VIP members live now. They start at just $19.95 per month. Accumulating entries, you can just set and forget that. A cheap way to win a $150,000 Tuff Streeter.